Hi YouTube, Tim Uckert here. In this video I am going through the warm-up problems for my Algebra 2 class and they're on logarithms. So let's get started. So first one, we have log base 2 of x equals 5 and we're solving for x. So my first step is I'm going to write this in exponential form. So I have the base, which is 2. I'm going to write that to the power of 5 and that equals x. Our next step is to figure out what 2 to the 5th power is. Well, that's 5 2's multiplied together. So 2 times 2, which is 4, times 2 again, which is 8, times 2 again, which is 16, and times 2 again, which is 32. So x equals 32. Okay, let's keep going. All right, next one, we're evaluating the log of 100,000. If I just have log without the base written, the base is 10. So essentially we're saying 10 to what power equals 100,000. And with powers of 10, the trick for this is you're basically looking, how many 10s do I have to multiply together to get 100,000? Well, all you need to do is count the zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 to the 5th power equals 100,000. So the log of 100,000 equals 5. Okay, let's keep going. This next one, we're solving for x. Log base x of 81 equals 4. We're going to write this in exponential form, so we're going to write x to the 4th power equals 81. Now what you could do is take the 4th root of both sides, but what I would encourage you is to think, what number, if you take 4 of that number and multiply them together, equals 81. And you can try this out. Let's say you started with 4, right? You do 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, and you get 256. That's too large. Let's say you did 2, so you do 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Well, that's 16. That's too small. But if you do 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, well, that does equal 81. So x has to be 3 because 3 to the 4th power equals 81. So long story short, x equals 3. Okay, let's take a look at problem 4. All right, so we're solving for x, and we have log base 5 of x equals 2. We're going to write it in exponential form, so 5 to the 2nd power equals x. So that's 2 5's multiplied together, 5 times 5 equals x. So x equals 25. Okay, let's keep going. There's 2 more problems left. Evaluate log of 1. So this is base 10. When you just write log, it's base 10. So we're saying 10 to what power equals 1? Well, a non-zero base to the power of 0 equals 1. So 10 to the 0 power equals 1. So this is equal to 0. That's my solution, 0. Okay. Last one. Log base x of 625 equals 4. So let's write in exponential form. So we're going to say x to the 4th power equals 625. So again, we're multiplying 4 of whatever x is together to get 625. We already saw that 4 to the 4th power is 256, so let's try 4 5. So if I do 5 times 5, that's 25, times 5 again, that's 125, times 5 again is 625. So 5 to the 4th power equals 625. So x equals 5. So like I said, x equals 5. So that's it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. And also, if you have questions, leave a comment in the comments below.